Where can you get free legal advice and information, potentially representation in your matter, particularly if you're at the outset? So first of all, every single state in Australia has a legal aid body. So if you just Google, for example, Legal Aid New South Wales, then their website will come up, and they all have telephone advice service. Most of the telephone advice service is not means tested, meaning that you can be on a pretty good income and still be eligible to speak to a legal advisor. Each state also has community legal centres. So they're kind of spread out. There's quite a few in rural centres as well. But again, if you just search for community legal centres in your particular state, then you'll find those relevant services. They're usually only able to provide assistance if you fall within the catchment of the area, if you live locally, but always give them a call to see if they are able to assist you or to refer you to another service. And the third way is, of course, a service like ours, which is a private law firm. Many law firms offer complimentary first free meetings. The reason they're valuable is you're going to get legal advice and information, procedural information and tips to move forward during that consult, even if you don't go with that lawyer. But the other thing is that if you are actually looking for a lawyer either now or later, then having these numerous meetings with different private lawyers means you can sort of ascertain what that relationship's going to be like. Do you have confidence in their ability, and are you comfortable with them as well? So oftentimes I'll speak to a new client inquiry and I then tell them to go off and maybe speak to another one or two lawyers to get a feel for the way different firms do things, because you want to find someone that's a right fit for you. And also, if you're having different complimentary consultations, you'll probably take some different or have that legal advice reaffirmed each time you do so. So there are 3 different ways to access free legal advice.